If being close to the money makes you rich, then why isn't your bank teller a millionaire? Why isn't the accounts payable clerk retiring on the beach somewhere? They literally touch money every single day. So what's really going on here? Today, I'm going to shatter a myth that's been holding millions of people back. You're going to discover the real reason why being near the money is not enough, and what you can do to finally step into real financial power. So be sure to stick around till the very end of this video, because by the end of this video, I'll be giving you a free download. This is my free PDF, the blueprint with the 12 uncommon finance rules that schools never teach you. It is packed with money insights that you won't hear anywhere else. You've heard the quote before: the closer you are to the money, the more money you make. And at first glance, it seems true. Sales reps that make commission checks, business owners that rake in profits, fund managers handle billions of dollars. They're clearly close to the cash. But here's a real secret that hardly anyone talks about. It is not about touching the money. It's about commanding the money. If you're just handling money, you're just a spectator. Just all you do is just touch the money, you feel the money, you're just watching the money. But if you're controlling, creating, or multiplying money, you are the one winning the game. Let's get real for a second. Bank tellers touch thousands of dollars every day, but they don't create it, they don't own it. They just move the money from one account to the other. Same with accounts payable clerks. They move payments, but they don't grow the revenue. They just pay the bills. They get the invoices, they process invoices, and make sure bills are getting paid. Customer service reps might deal with payments, but they aren't the ones building the wealth. They are solving a problem, yes. Same with the receptionist or the guy or girl at the counter who takes the payments. They handle money, but they don't control it. So handling money without controlling money is equivalent to a hamster wheel. So you're just on a hamster wheel because you're never really going to build enough wealth if you don't command or control the money. And the system loves it this way. Most jobs train you to service the money system. Think about it. But they never teach you how to master it. So who is really winning the money game today? Here's the pattern, the real pattern. And listen closely. Top salespeople are the ones who create new revenue. They bring in fresh cash for the business. And that's why they earn commissions and bonuses. Business owners, they own the cash flow systems. Every sale, every transaction, profits roll in, it goes back to the business owner. The fund managers, the hedge funds, the guys on Wall Street, they multiply other people's money and they take a percentage of the upside. Now think about this, risk plus reward equals huge payouts. That's how they make their money. Private equity investors, they buy companies, they grow the companies over time and they flip them for millions. The rest is history. Marketers, they generate demand. That's the job of a marketer. Without marketers, there's no cash coming in. Businesses need people who are very skilled and very adept at marketing products and driving demand to their products and services. Next is consultants and strategists. If you're a consultant or a strategist, your job is to optimize systems so companies can make more money, not just run smoother. None of these people, if you pay close attention, are just processing cash transactions or processing transactions of any sort. They are creating, controlling, or multiplying value. Now you might be thinking, this is the interesting part. Okay, so how do I get on the right side of money? That's a great question, and that's the multi-million dollar, billion-dollar question. I'm going to give you 4 quick steps on how you can create and get closer to the money, create value and get closer to the money. Step number 1, high leverage money skills. You need to learn high leverage money skills. I don't care what you're doing right now. I don't care how old you were. You have to learn these key skills that will put you on that pedestal to accelerate your wealth. So forget about the low leverage tasks. Focus on high leverage skills like learning sales, marketing, investment analysis, business systems. These are some skills that will put you directly in touch. They put you directly in touch with the revenue source, and they help you scale your wealth and scale your money. Step number 2, move toward the profit centers. Whatever company you are in right now, there is a cost center and a profit center. Inside a company where you find yourself right now, your job, ask yourself, am I bringing in revenue? Am I saving money? Am I multiplying money? If the answer is no, plan your next move. Don't be the overhead for too long, unless you're in the senior management. Step 3, build ownership outside of your job. And this is for people who can't switch roles immediately. So even if you can't switch roles in the near term or today, start a side hustle, invest in stocks, create assets. Wealth comes from ownership, not just effort. Remember that. It's all about ownership, owning systems, owning assets, owning income producing assets. Step number 4, network with money movers. You've heard this before. You are the average of the 5 people you hang around. If you spend time around those who talk about investments, scaling businesses, and growth, you grow. But if you spend time with people who just complain about salaries, you're going to be left stuck without making any financial progress or financial success. There's one more thing. Money isn't just a skill. It's about leverage. Ask yourself, how can I get my ideas to work while I sleep? How can I get my money to make more money? How can I get my systems or get systems to multiply my efforts? You got to build those systems. Like I said, it's not about effort. It's about leverage. People who master leverage don't just make money. They build wealth. If you were serious about escaping the hamster wheel today, I put together something for you. It's in the description section below. Be sure to click that. It's a free guide. It's called the 12 Uncommon Financial Rules or Money Rules that schools never teach you. These are the exact principles the wealth will live by. But nobody talks about this in school, in college, or even on the mainstream finance shows. You can download this 100% free of charge to you. Just click in the link in the description section below. Remember, you can be around money all day long, but until you learn to command it, you will always be working for it instead of making the money work for you. The good news is you can start today. You can start right now. Choose ownership, choose growth, choose control. If you're ready to get behind the wheel of the financial destiny, owning your own financial destiny, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more real world money and life strategies. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.